Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your love bite. I know this is a different setting, but I'm moving home, city, so my stuff still hasn't arrived, but we'll make do with this, right? As long as we get our message across. So, and these are general collective readings, Taurus. Of course, you all know that, and if they won't resonate with all of you, do keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Taurus, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being patient. I'm so sorry I was unable to post last week, but as you can see, my life is totally rocked at the moment because I'm here, my stuff is somewhere else, my car is still en route, so I'm trying my best and hopefully by next week I'll be more organized. Alright, Taurus, I have an Empress in reverse, center of my spread here. Somebody is wanting to fight for this connection. King of Wands in reverse. Now, to be honest, I started this reading 2 minutes ago and then I got disturbed by a doorbell. Even there I had a King of Swords in reverse. Okay, now King of Swords in reverse is a very harsh, cold energy, and now we are starting with our overall energy as the King of Wands in reverse. Again, a very jealous or selfish or self-centered energy, and no wonder the Empress has kind of got her barriers up and saying, hey, listen, if you're always going to treat me badly, then I'm going to put my boundaries up. The other person, though, does want to fight for this Empress one more time. They want a return, they want a reconciliation, but the Empress has her boundaries up, I think, now. Let's see what's going to happen. Taurus, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person spirit. And Taurus, if any of you are looking for personal readings, I'm back and I've started accepting private readings as well. My email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person spirit. One more, last card. Thank you. Okay, Taurus, let's start your reading. The first card here says, I realized I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself when you've shown me in the mirror the reflection of what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. This seems like the King of Wands who wants to have a renewal of this connection. You are the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you. We are one. I love you. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, your intentions don't align with your actions. I feel like I can't trust you. Spoken by the Empress, I think. To rebuild a solid, stable foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. It's really insulting when you try and control the situation. See, King of Swords in reverse. It's really insulting when you try and control the situation and withhold information. You're underestimating my intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and must be forgetting how connected we are on soul level. You know that I'll always know what's going on because even your higher self tells on you. When you're away from me, I feel loneliness in my heart. I can't stop missing you and loving you. I need you here, with me. My family doesn't understand our connection. I've told them how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. It's the little things you do that make you so special. I'm afraid of losing you. I've never felt such an intense connection. Well, somebody is dealing with an Empress. Okay, so let's start your reading, Taurus. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus. My angels. Blessing, safe travel. Well, this Empress is making their mind up. I think they've got some boundaries up. And the universe is backing this Empress. Look at this angel carrying this baby on their shoulders. Won't even let a toe get wet crossing the river, right? So the angels are backing whoever this person is who's finally learned to maybe put their boundaries up and say, hey, I'm not going to deal with bad behavior anymore. So this is like a huge transition change from one phase of your life to another. Okay, so 9 of Wands, Spirit. What's this 9 of Wands? For Taurus or their cross watcher? Yes, somebody wants to try one more time, Taurus. Somebody wants to try one more time. They want to rush towards, I think, this Empress now who doesn't want to work with them anymore. They are coming in all sweet and nice and romantic and everything. I mean, they're not going to pull any stops here to express that, hey, can we start again? They want to come towards, all in an intention to have this Empress to return back to them, maybe just emotionally or physically, and reunite with them. They want this Empress to come back so bad, so bad. Eight of Cups is clarified by the Eight of Cups in reverse. This is a card of wanting to return, right? But the problem here is they do know that this Empress doesn't really trust them anymore. Maybe they feel that this Empress is now angry with them or bitter, or if they do go towards them with anything less than love and romance, they're going to be cut off. They can't go back to this Empress in the same Knight of Wands or King of Wands in reverse kind of energy. The whole intention is to, I think, have a reconciliation. 3 of Cups, Spirit. 3 of Cups. Yeah, because things have halted, things have stopped, but whoever this person is feels that, hey, this is my soulmate, I can't let them go. This is the person who is my match. And I don't know whether they feel it or they are going to pretend to be that. I don't know, because the Magician in reverse energy is here as well, right? So they may say anything and everything to say that, hey, we are twin flames or soulmates and whatever, or maybe they genuinely do feel love in their heart, but they've just been selfish in the past. But they are still showing up as a little bit of a trickster. 5 of Swords in reverse, Spirit. 5 of Swords in reverse. Yeah, somebody here feels it's not that this Empress wanted to turn their back or stop this connection, but they did want to feel respected. They did want happily ever after. They wanted to feel that security, that stability, that respect. And instead, I think they were not made to feel that. Maybe that person was very controlling or is very controlling, and they always felt belittled. So maybe for a long time, this Empress had a fear of change. But at the moment, well, this Empress seems to be saying no. They kind of have made a decision to heal and maybe, heal from the situation and put up some kind of boundaries, saying, all right, I accept it. If it's over, then it's over. Okay? So what's the 7 of Wands, Spirit? 7 of Wands. Yes, I think this Empress is taking a little time out to reflect, to guard their own energy, pushing people away, or especially this King of Wands energy, maybe thinking of closing a chapter, maybe starting a brand new chapter with maybe somebody else. As much as they do admire this King of Wands, they do see them as very passionate and handsome or whatever. But at the moment, I think they've lost their desire, because this King of Wands was too full of themselves, I guess, was not offering any security or stability or emotional happiness to this Empress. So what's the Judgment card, Spirit? What's the Judgment card? What's the Judgment card? The other person is now getting frustrated. They're getting frustrated, they're getting angry that this Empress has now become strong and is going off for a brand new beginning. They want to restart this connection with this Empress. And they are very upset. Why are they upset? I'll show you. Knight of Swords in reverse. Frustration. Why have things become imbalanced? They were fine according to them in the past, right? Why is this Empress even thinking of going off to be free and have a brand new beginning? Why has this Empress become so strong, and why is she holding back from me? So the thing is, this Empress has now picked up her sword. She's become the Queen of Swords now. This Empress has learned to put her boundaries up. Queen of Swords in an upright spirit. Yes, this Queen of Swords says, well, maybe my person does love me, but I'm quite disappointed because they never were emotionally open to me. They were always, I never knew what I'd get from them. 1 minute they were loving, 1 minute they were mean to me, they were hurting me, and I'm very disappointed by their actions. Very, very disappointed. That's what this Queen of Swords is saying. So then, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit, what's this? Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody wants to take action now. I think this Queen of Swords, ever since, this Empress, ever since they've kind of picked up their sword and become a little stronger within themselves, they've started shining bright. They've started shining bright. They know that this person is probably being petty or maybe trying to stop them. I don't think it's going to deter this Queen of Wands anymore. They are getting out of this confusion. They're coming out of this going back and forth. I have a feeling there's a bit of delay here from what I see, because I do see the Queen of Wands still healing from this past person, still kind of contemplating what's next, but definitely moving towards their happiness. Okay, so it's not an overnight process. I understand that it's stage-wise, but whatever this Queen of Wands is going towards, my angels are promising a safe travel. Alright, so that's all I have for you, Taurus. Hope it worked for you. Do let me know. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.